All right, guys, quick little combo for you. We're gonna use the Foxtrot and the first 3 patterns for your beginner combination. This is not the only way you can put it together, but this is a nice, easy combo for you.
Cool. We're not gonna do them in the order that you learned them necessarily. We're gonna do a basic, a promenade, and then a left rock turn. So we're gonna go basic first, into promenade dance position, and then a left rock turn. And we can repeat that sequence again, basic, promenade, and then a left rock turn. And you can see as I'm making a small square here as we continue to repeat this sequence, dancing around.
Obviously, if you have a larger space, you can add more basic steps and more promenades to travel down the line further. Since we're trying to keep it in a, you know, content for you, we just do one.
To be clear, any of these could be used in any order. Actually, every time you finish one of those side togethers, any 3 of these patterns could work. However, we do want to keep in a line of dance, keep moving around the floor to the left.
And if you only have these 3 patterns, this is one example of how you could do that.
Sure.
All right, we're gonna demo that quickly with rhythm, and then we'll do it with music.
All right, we're gonna go slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick.
All right, guys, if you like this combination and you want to learn this and those steps step by step, ad-free, you can follow us on our website, ballroomfeed.com. We teach all these steps first before you learn the combination. If you wanted to, you can learn them here on YouTube, but everything after that is on our website fully. So if you haven't had enough of Foxtrot, please be sure to go support us and check out our website. It would mean the world. Thank you so much. Subscribe and like here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.